Hello and welcome to Passing It On. In today's episode, I would like to show you how to make a quick tomato chutney. So the ingredients for a good tomato chutney are some ripe tomatoes. I'm going to grate these tomatoes to remove the skin. The other way to do that will be to add some boiled water to the tomatoes and the skin will come off easily. Then I have some chopped onion. We have green chilies, a teaspoonful of garlic. I have a curry leaf. And for the spices, I have a tablespoonful of masala. We have a teaspoonful of turmeric and salt to taste. You can add more masala if you want a more spicy chutney. And to garnish, I've got coriander or dhania. So to start, we've got a pot and I've added some oil to it, about 2 tablespoons of oil. That should do. It's just going to coat the bottom of the pot. To that, I'm going to add a bit of onion. If it starts sizzling, you know the oil is ready. So the onion goes in and the curry leaf. It should flutter a bit. The heat is on medium. Then allow that to fry a bit. And then you add your ginger and garlic, your chili. As the onion turns a little bit brown, you add your spice. That fry. Now you check for the color. You can add more masala if it's not the right color or if you want it more spicy. Let that fry a bit. Give it a few minutes, and then we add the grated tomato. Mix that together. And I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for a few minutes. So the chutney has been cooking for about 5 minutes. I'm going to check it now. You see that it come together nicely. It's still very watery, so we're going to let that cook a bit until the water cooks off and the oil comes up. That's how you know that the chutney is done. We'll check it after another 5 minutes. And you will see that the oil has come up nicely. And we are now ready to plate. And that's your simple tomato chutney, which I'm going to garnish. It is so versatile. It can be had with boiled eggs, tin fish. There's so many dishes that can come out of this simple tomato chutney. And once you know how to make this, you won't starve a day in your life.